For the crabber, other than their boat, there is nothing more important than their traps.
These, you can catch stone crabs in them, blue crabs, fish. You can catch all three in this trap right here.
These traps are constantly being brought in for repair. If the trap is too weathered, they're cycled out for a new trap.
I've known Tom all my life. We grew up together. You know, he's fired me, he's barred me, but I always come back. I love it.
Hippie and young Captain Gage are in the trap yard building and prepping new traps for the blue crab season.
I've been fishing these same traps forever, just like this. You know, you got your hard wire and you got your chicken wire. This chicken wire is good for the hill on the inside, but then that hard wire trap is better offshore. But these are mostly blue crab traps right here.
If you're not crabbing, a young man in Steinhatchee that really is going to do anything is either going to have his own business or go work on the road.
Toiling in galvanized wire made with heavy zinc coating is a good way for a young commercial fisherman like Gage to earn his keep when he's not out on the water.
I've been crabbing for about 1.5 years now, probably. This will be my 2nd year. And right now, we're setting up my new chicken wire, my only chicken wire that I have as of right now, because I'm new to the crabbing, and I love it.
I love it.
Wouldn't want to change it for nothing in the world, but for right now, I'm a crabber.
A zinc bar helps prevent corrosion of the trap in the salt water. These bars will help extend the lifespan of the traps, which run close to $75 each.
So basically, with no zinc, the salt water will just eat it down to literally nothing. But with no zinc, it wouldn't last probably 2 or 3 years.
Right, it'd fall apart. If you're not out crabbing, you could be working on traps. If you ain't working on traps, you could be pressure washing traps. You could work all day and never get done. You just show up in the morning and start over again and do all you can do.